So today I'll be showing you how to enable the flash in the DJI Mimo app. So to do that, just launch the DJI Mimo app and then go to the camera viewfinder and then tap on the three dot button in the top left corner. Make sure this is selected to go to the camera settings. And of course, if it's video or photo, doesn't really matter. You should see this. So you can see flash at the top there. Tap on that and then select always on. And that's going to turn on the flash. So let's select always on and you should see the flash is now enabled. That's in the DJI Mimo app. Now, obviously, if you're using the Osmo Mobile 7P and you have the luxury of this multifunctional module, all you have to do is press on it and then you have an extra flash. Okay. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and good luck.